what are the most common building codes violations you have encountered in Abuja, and how do you address them?
Well, Abuja as a growing city, a new visitor or somebody that has been residing here will tell you that the city has been evolving over the years. Particularly if you go to the main, would I say phase 1 of Abuja, that is we say Abuja, you know, there are so many building codes violations. For example, the prominent one, some of these residential buildings have been converted to commercial buildings.
Okay.
If you ask some viewers, they'll tell you that, look, it's city dynamic, the city is growing. You see, so many buildings have been, let me give you an example, particularly like Aminu Kanu Crescent, Ademola Adetukumbo, and then Ghana Street. I believe you have.
Yeah, I have idea of those areas.
So,
yes,
so many buildings were designed residential. Yeah. But today, if you go there, they have been transformed to public places. But sometimes the city growth, you have to allow such things. Earlier, when such situations started coming up, there were a lot of controversies going on. Some have been stopped, some have been allowed. Okay, they'll just give you some little conditions. Okay. Don't exceed so height, okay. Give so setback. Okay. Some will say, okay, clear, zero setback, okay. So that people can just park from the road to the premises. Like that. Okay, and another factor I didn't even tell you, conversion means some people will buy the plot, residential, demolish the old building, and then design a commercial office complex or shopping plaza. Then they will just build it. The only thing that they will charge you by far much more, and then maybe give you some penalties, and then give you height regulations. Sure, but adherence to building codes has been very, very tough lately. It's been very, very difficult. So actually, as a public building official in FCDA, what we normally do here, particularly to be specific with you, is overseeing supervision of government public facilities. Just like the conference center that just recently rehabilitated.
Yeah, rehabilitated.
It's a public building.
Yeah.
More often than not, now we are taking the issue of structure as a very, very important issue. Building collapse, if you notice in Abuja lately, have been on the minima. Because why? There is so much conscious attempt the development control officials are taking in trying to curb building approval, such as stage approval. By the time you finish your foundation, they have to go and ascertain the quality, the material, the usage of the material, the quality of the product you are doing, and then is it in compliance with the specified building material codes? And then you have to bring a licensed, experienced engineers as your supervising team. You see, giving advice on how best we can sustain this particular laudable program you are bringing, our Chronicle of Construction, is going to be a very impactful, medium for developers, the architects, the engineers, the built environment officials, even the tenants, the end users. You see, there's something we used to call users' requirement. Don't think of you only. You are the owner, you are the builder. But who uses the building matters a lot. The end user. So factors or needs have to be considered.
That's been it with architect Garba Bature.
This is the Chronicles of Construction, the art of building, the soul of storytelling, ubiquitous.